here today with Arno Janse van Rensburg of the restaurant Janse Co. Naturally, we asked him to cook for us for this series, which is Chefs Cooking Easter Dishes. So, what have you cooked?
So we cooked snoek, which is in season now. This is the first of the snoek that came out. It is from Lambert's Bay. Slice lemongrass, add it to the pestle and mortar. Peel and slice ginger, add fresh galangal. Clean up, slice, add to the pestle and mortar. Pick off all the lime leaves, add to the pestle and mortar. And then you grind everything down. You pound it for like 5 to 10 minutes until everything disintegrates and amalgamates into one nice big paste. Then you add the garlic, because the garlic is softer than all the other ingredients. And then you add your oil, salt and pepper, lime juice. Make it into a nice paste, spread it on the snoek, and then snoek goes on the braai for about 15 minutes. Low heat. The baby corn, local baby corn, is just put on the grill with a bit of oil. It is finished with pepicha, which is a Mexican coriander, very flavorful, very fragrant, and then just some fresh buttermilk. We can substitute pepicha for normal coriander. Stems and roots would be best, I would say. And then we have roasted aje dolce peppers, which is a Caribbean heritage pepper, and then just finish with olive oil and summer savory. So the bread dough we shaped into a fougasse shape. We added some baked sweet potato, and then we finished it with some kelp from Komiki. Baked it in the oven.
So essentially what we're talking about is snoek, soet patat, mealies.
That's it. You don't get more traditional than that, I don't think. And what do you think?
Oh, flippin' delicious.
Thank you.
So the aromatics are incredible. It's really good. These peppers, man. Yeah. Unlike any snoek I've ever had. And what are the herbs on the top of it?
That is seaweed from Komiki, bladder kelp.
And what have you done to it?
Put it on the bread.